In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Base44's servers. This process is essential for ensuring your website's link is correctly pointing to the servers, allowing your site to be live and accessible on the internet. Now, let's get started by covering each step in detail to make the process smooth and straightforward. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome or any web browser you prefer and log into your domain registrar account. This is where you initially purchased your domain name, and managing its settings is crucial in connecting to Base44. Take a minute to locate your login credentials if need be, and once you're logged in, head over to the domain management section of the website. Within your registrar's interface, look for the DNS management option. This allows you to control where your domain's traffic is directed. It's usually found somewhere in the settings or management panel, and sometimes it's labeled as DNS settings or zone file settings. Take your time to navigate, and don't hesitate to consult your registrar's help documentation if you're having trouble. Next, you'll need to head over to your Base44 project dashboard. Here, you'll find the DNS details necessary to point your domain in the right direction. These details will usually be in the form of an A record or a CNAME. Copy this information carefully, as accuracy here is critical for your domain to resolve correctly. Returning to the DNS management section of your domain registrar, you'll need to update your domain's DNS records. This involves pasting the DNS details you collected from Base44 into the appropriate fields. If you're given multiple options, ensure you choose the correct record type, whether it's an A record or CNAME, based on the details that Base44 specified for your project. If you're unsure about this part, Base44's support docs or customer service can be a helpful resource. Once you've inputted the necessary details, it's time to save your changes. This triggers a DNS propagation, which is just a fancy way of saying that it takes a little time for these changes to spread across the internet. Depending on your registrar and various network factors, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours, though it often happens faster than that. After the changes have propagated, head back to Base44 and check to see if your domain connection has been verified. This is usually represented within the dashboard once everything has been set up correctly. If it looks good and you don't see any warning messages, you'll want to proceed to publish your site, ensuring it is live for all to see. And that's it. By following these steps, you've connected your domain to Base44 successfully. If you encounter any issues or questions along the way, remember that both your registrar and Base44 are there to help you with additional support. Now you're ready to share your website with the world.